Hi everyone. So today we'll be doing some practice questions on adding the fractions. Okay, so we have 4 examples here. Let's go through them one by one. Okay, so the first one here is 3 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Okay, so now we need to make the denominator same. So if you want to know more about why do we need to make the denominator same, please check out the previous video. We've talked about it in detail of what is the reasoning and what is the logic behind making the denominators same. Okay, so for this, first of all, we need to find the LCM of 5 and 10. Okay, so 5 and 10. So what are the factors of 5? We can say 5, 10, 15, and the factors of 10 are 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Okay, so we need to make the denominators both equal to the LCM, so that is 10. Okay, so for the first one, to make 5 into 10, we need to multiply it by 2. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 5 into 2 is 10. So for the second one, we already have the denominator as 10, so we can keep it as is. Okay, so now we can perform simple addition. So the base is 10. Let me erase this here. So the base is 10 and we just do simple addition. 6 plus 1, 7 by 10. So this is our answer. Okay. Okay, now let's look at the next question. Okay, so we have 9 and 36, different denominators. So let's try to find the LCM for 9 and 36. Okay, so for 9, what are the multiples? 9, 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Okay, and we see 36 is our number itself. Okay, so this will be our LCM. 36 is our LCM. Okay, so now for the first one, to make 9 equal to 36, we'll have to multiply it by 4 because 9 into 4 is 36. So similarly, we'll have to multiply 5 also by 4. Okay, so 5 into 4 is 20 and 9 into 4 is 36. In the second one, we have 36, so we keep it as is. So what will be the total? We put the denominator because it's same as is and we do 20 plus 7. So we get 27 by 36. Now we need to reduce it in the smallest, simplest form. Okay. So here 7 and 10 did not have a common divisor. So this was our final answer. But 27 and 36, they have a common divisor 3. Okay, so if we divide 27 by 3, it will give us 9, and if we divide 36 by 3, we get 12. Now again, we have 9 and 12 also come in the table of 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So we cannot reduce it further because 3 and 4 don't have a common divisor other than 1. Okay, so we'll leave it as is. So this is our final answer in the simplest form. Okay, so there are multiple steps. Okay, first we need to make the denominator same, and for that we need to find the least common multiple. Okay, and after we find that, we can directly add the numerators. Okay, and then we have to try to reduce it into the simplest form. So here we have 7 and 14. So we know 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, So we need to convert the first one to 14. We need to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 7 into 2 is 14. And second one we will keep it as is because we already have 14 in the denominator. Okay, so because the LCM of 7 and 14 will be 14. Okay, so now we do 4 plus 5 is 9 by 14. Now they both don't have a common factor, so this will be our final answer. Okay, so now let's look at the last example. So for 2, what are the multiples? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. So why are we going more? Because the second number is 18. So we'll have to go at least till 18 or more to be able to find something. So we got 18. So we can stop here. So 18 is our least common multiple because 18 ones are 18. Okay, so now we have to try to make the denominators of both 18. So for first, we know 2 into 9 is 18. So we multiply both by 9. So 1 into 9 is 9 and 9 into 2 is 18. Plus, this is already 18, so we keep it as it is. Okay, so here we write the denominator and we do 9 plus 17. So how much does that give us? 26 by 18. So can this be reduced further? Yes, both are even numbers. They will be divisible by 2. So if we reduce it, we divide it by 2, we get 2 into 13 is 26 and 2 nines are 18. So now 13 and 9, they don't have a common factor. So 13 by 9 is our final answer. So I hope this is clear of how to add the fractions. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.